Hello there. Today we're going to talk about the zero knob. I was just showing some through zero flanging. It's really easy to hear with a fuzz pedal or anything with a lot of harmonic content in front of it, like a gnarly distortion or anything like that. So I have a fuzz factory here. Sounds really gnarly. And I'm gonna set the zero, or I'm gonna set up the zero knob so that it's right. So it's right at the point of through zero cancellation. So to do this, I'm going to turn the width all the way to the bottom so that there's no modulation. And I'm going to play something. And I find where that signal gets the quietest. And that is where that through zero crossover is happening. And as we start to modulate around it, it's a lot of fun. Another thing you can try with the 0 point is to switch the polarity. Right now we have it in negative polarity, so we get that cancellation. But if you flip the dip switch here to positive polarity, then it changes to more of a musical flange that doesn't cancel out. So if we turn the width back down, it's like really throaty and full. And if we modulate around there, it's you still you get that through zero action, but it's not that cancellation, which is really interesting. And what's really fun to do is to plug in an expression pedal, which I don't have right now, but then you can manually control the flange time to create that through zero action just on the fly. And that's all I have to say about the zero knob right now. But explore with it and have a good time.